Hello, my name is Elodia Ortega-Lampkin, Woodland Joint Unified School District Superintendent, and I want to thank each of you for helping make the start of the school year a very successful one. It has been amazing seeing all the smiling faces of our students coming back to our schools, and also seeing all of you parents coming back and learning about your schools during back-to-school nights. For those of you who have not had a back-to-school night yet, make sure you check with your school to find out the time and dates. I also want to thank you all for helping get our kids to and from school safely. I want to emphasize that each of us have an important role to make sure our students come to school and from school safely. Whether you walk to school, ride your bike to school, or whether you drop off your students, we need to make sure that we're watching out for each other to make sure that everyone comes to school and gets home safely every day. I also want to ask your help in making sure that you fill out your data confirmation. We want to make sure that we have the appropriate and most accurate information to contact you in case of an emergency. So if you haven't done so yet, please fill out the data confirmation, and if you need help, please contact your school and they will assist you. And I also want to invite you to attend one of our superintendent meet and greets. I want to share with you our district goals and what we're doing to prepare your child to graduate from our schools to be college and career ready. It's an opportunity for you to get to know who I am as your superintendent, and for me to hear from you about what your wishes are and dreams are for your child and how we can serve you best. Lastly, I want to remind everyone that we have a 3-day holiday weekend coming up due to Monday being Labor Day, so no school on Monday. Thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to meeting each and every one of you.